Mastering ISO 37123. Elites will thrive in cities that prioritize operational excellence. Who are the primary stakeholders that would benefit from implementing ISO 37123, which prioritizes operational excellence by establishing a framework for cities and communities to achieve sustainable development and resilient operations? The primary stakeholders that benefit from implementing ISO 37123, which prioritizes operational excellence by establishing a framework for cities and communities to achieve sustainable development and resilient operations, are multiple and diverse. Citizens, who are the ultimate beneficiaries of a well-functioning city or community, stand to gain significantly from the implementation of ISO 37123. By providing a framework for sustainable development and resilient operations, cities and communities can ensure that citizens have access to essential services, such as clean water, sanitation, energy, transportation, and waste management. This, in turn, leads to improved living conditions, enhanced economic opportunities, and better overall well-being. Furthermore, citizens are more likely to experience increased feelings of safety and security, as operational excellence in emergency response and public safety services is ensured. Another key stakeholder group that benefits from ISO 37123 is local government officials and administrators. By implementing the standard, cities and communities can ensure that their operations are efficient, effective, and aligned with international best practices. This leads to improved accountability, transparency, and responsiveness to citizen needs. Local government officials and administrators can also benefit from the standard's focus on data-driven decision-making, which enables them to make informed decisions and prioritize resources more effectively. The private sector, including businesses and industry, also stands to gain from the implementation of ISO 37123. By providing a stable and resilient operating environment, cities and communities can attract investment, stimulate economic growth, and create jobs. Furthermore, businesses can benefit from the standard's emphasis on efficiency and effectiveness, as this can lead to reduced costs, improved productivity, and enhanced competitiveness. Additionally, stakeholders involved in urban planning and development, such as architects, engineers, and urban planners, can benefit from the implementation of ISO 37123. The standard's focus on sustainable development and resilient operations ensures that urban planning and development activities are guided by a long-term vision that prioritizes the well-being of citizens and the environment. Civil society organizations, including non-governmental organizations, NGOs, and community groups, are also important stakeholders that can benefit from ISO 37123. By providing a framework for sustainable development and resilient operations, cities and communities can engage with civil society organizations more effectively, ensuring that the needs and perspectives of diverse stakeholders are taken into account. International organizations, such as the United Nations, the World Bank, and other development agencies, can also benefit from the implementation of ISO 37123. The standard provides a common language and framework for sustainable development and resilient operations, which can facilitate international cooperation, knowledge sharing, and best practice exchange. Academia and research institutions can also benefit from ISO 37123, as the standard provides a rigorous and systematic approach to understanding and addressing the complex challenges facing cities and communities. By engaging with the standard, researchers and academics can develop new insights and knowledge that can inform urban policy and practice. Finally, the environment and future generations can also be considered as stakeholders that benefit from the implementation of ISO 37123. By prioritizing sustainable development and resilient operations, cities and communities can reduce their environmental footprint, mitigate the impacts of climate change, and ensure a sustainable future for all.